Hey guys, welcome back once again to another unboxing. Doof has made himself comfortable on Snorlax's stomach. Do we have permission to start, Doof?
Yeah.
Very good. So today we are going to be looking at GlossyBox. They are a monthly subscription and they run $21 a month and they promise at least $60 worth of product. And they have a variety of skincare to hair care, makeup, everything in between. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, this is their August box. I think it's their birthday box, if I'm right. Oh, and right off the top of there, we've got a gift card to Vincero watches, $50. Well, that's good, I guess. Got it. And I guess this is their, I've never gotten one of these boxes, so I guess this is their iconic pink box. So let's lift the lid. And it is their birthday edition. So here's the booklet. Yep, that'll tell us everything that's in here, and I'm assuming the prices as well. So the first thing I see here is a Glow Drops highlighting primer for face. It's vegan friendly, cruelty free. Looks like it's in the color Rose Pearl, and that is a Jekka Black, I think, or JB. I think that's how it's pronounced. I hope that's how it's pronounced. Glow Drops prep and brighten your complexion with healthy natural glow. Apply all over face using fingertips before makeup. So let's go ahead and see what the price of this is. And it looks like this usually retails for $20, and this is a full size. Go to the next item here. Oh, looks like this is something by GlossyBox themselves. GlossyBox Skincare Eye Cream Boost. A lightweight, fast-absorbing formula that reduces the appearance of dark circles and deep puffs under eye area. Oh man, I hope so, because I usually look pretty washed out in these lights, but my eyes, I got some baggage. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at here. So this is a full size. Also looks like it is vegan and cruelty free. And this runs $18 for subscribers and $23 for non-subscribers if you want to just purchase it off their website. And here is a Freeman Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. Oh, that means I can cancel my order of dry shampoo. Thank you, GlossyBox. You're gonna save me some money. So this is a travel size. Looks like it is usually retails for $2.99, so about $3. Does it have a smell? So it says it's pink clay and peppermint. Oh God. Oh, it smells really nice. I want to say it smells like watermelon. Like watermelon candy. I do not get any peppermint. So, take that as you will. Still smells nice. Next thing we have in here is, it looks like it's a trial of Snowberry New Radiance Face Serum. Oh, this is an extra treat. And the full size of this retails for $72. It is a super serum designed to plump the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, this is pretty cute. So this is a natural lip balm. Looks like it's in the flavor Wildberry, and it's made in Canada. So it's a Rebels Refinery Geo Heart-shaped lip balm, but this is the full size. It's super cute. You could probably just like throw it in your bag and take it along with you. Otherwise, it'd look really freaking adorable, like on a countertop or shelf or whatever, like in your bathroom or bedroom. So that is that, and it looks like this is the last item. Yep. So we have a Tangle Teezer Professional Detangling Hairbrush, Wet and Dry, the original. So let's go ahead and take a look. Can I open it? Like this. Wow. Cool. This is way more comfortable to hold than it looked in the box. It's a little stabby, but it's not too bad. It's a little easier to use than I thought it was going to be. I've only ever used like paddle style hairbrushes, but no, this one is actually really nice. Good job. And this normally retails for $12. Yeah, I guess that's all there is to that. So that is everything in the box. So the full retail price would be, it comes to $60 right on the dot. But what really matters is how much I'd be willing to pay for the things that are in here, and if I'm going to get actual use out of the items in here. So let's go ahead and review that. So this brush, yes, I will use it. It's a brush. Looks like it is nice to keep either like in the shower or on the countertop. $12 for this. Hey guys, Editing Doof coming at you from the future. I've been using this brush for about a week now, and I have become less excited about it the more time has gone on. It's not super great for people with longer hair like mine. It's just, turns out it's not very good at getting like the middle part of your hair and really detangling it. I wouldn't pay $12 for it anymore, probably closer to like $6. So it's cool, but not super great. And the next item is the Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for the face. So again, this retails for $20. That is shiny and it is like really wet. So no, I would pay probably $10 for it. It matches my skin tone pretty okay, which is always kind of scary for me because I'm so pale, but it blends in with the back of my hand pretty well. I just don't think it's worth $20. The next item is the travel size dry shampoo. And again, this was like $3. Yeah, that's worth it to me. I'll go ahead and give it a try a little later. No, I think this is worth $3. Spot on, I'll use it. Yeah, I'm gonna use a lip balm. Oh, $7 for something this heckin' cute? Yeah, I think that's worth it. It feels nice on my lips. They still feel moisturized even after a few minutes now. Which is great because my lips get so dry. So yes, that is worth the money. And then the Eye Boost Cream. Eye creams are always a little hard because you have to like try them for a while before you really know if they're gonna work for you or not. Yeah, so this is full size, $18 if you subscribe to GlossyBox, $23 if you don't. I don't know. I'm gonna say I will use this. I'll definitely use this, but if it's worth that price, I don't know. I'll have to see how it works and how it feels under my eyes. If you went and watched the 8 Saints review I did, their under eye cream actually burned my under eyes. I'll put a link to that down below. I will have to be careful with this one. I'll let you know how it works out. I'll update down in the comments if I'm able to use it or not. So overall, oh, and then like their extra little treaty thing. Was the box worth the $20-ish that I paid? Hey guys, coming at you from the future here. Since it's been a week now, I don't really feel like I got my money's worth out of the box anymore. Now that I've had some time to like really try the products out and see how they work for me, I'm gonna give this box 3 out of 10. Only item that I really got any use out of was the brush. And I'm gonna get a haircut here in a couple of weeks, so it might be better once my hair is shorter, but yeah, it's not worth the cost to me. I probably won't be doing another beauty box for a while, unless there's one that you guys really want to suggest to me. Yeah, that's it for me. I'll let the video finish out like it's supposed to now, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So that is that. Doof, what did you think? Oh, right. You're a dinosaur. You can't wear makeup or use hairspray or use a brush. You gotta use lip balm on your lizard lip. I'm sorry, guys. You know what? We'll find something for you. Don't worry. We'll get something for you. Yeah. Okay, I got you. Alright, guys. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which of the items you like the most. Give this video a like. Subscribe if you want to. But most of all, remember to be doofy and enjoy yourselves. Alright. Have a good one, guys. Bye. See ya.